Hey guys, so Flush Factory was an OG location in Season 1, and it might come back because they just added it into Creative. Flush Factory, and then the prison. So, yeah. So let's do, the, OG Flush Factory first. Throw it down. Alright. It's gonna take a while to load in, but it'll eventually do. Alright. Here we go. So, yeah, it's actually it. There's no changes. You know, we got the toilets on the conveyor belts and stuff. Yeah. So, yeah, anyway, I gotta reset my island now, so that's good, because this is way too big for my island. My island. Island tools. Okay, can you, like, reset? Alright, done with that. Now for the prison. Alright, now this one is bigger than the actual Flush Factory, so, yeah. You guys will see. It's really insane. Anytime. Holy crap. Yeah, this is freaking huge. So, yeah, so you basically just enter it. And then, you know, it's a prison, jail. So, yeah, you already know. So, yeah.